Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvanilo. So I'm back again with indaba ze-PSL. Amathimba amaningi ayathenga engabe yakithimi iyathenga na. Njengoba nibona ke labafethu emva kwami ngizoqala ngeindaba ezishisayo nje isathana kuphuma uSiphesihle Ndlovu. Siphesihle Ndlovu bafethu the former Orlando Pirates and Maritzburg United and SuperSport United player bafethu signed with Kaizer Chiefs. Lo mjida lo udlala eswini bafethu is one of the best players asebadlala last season ku SuperSport United. Indlela bedlala ngakhona umjida uattract abantu abanjengo Nasreddin nabo bemdinga ngempela azojoina iKaizer Chiefs. So benze ngokusemandla ukuthi bayithole isignature yakhe umjida ayojoina iKaizer njengoba behambile namhlanje bele eNetherlands bayodlala ama pre-season games. Umjida sombona edlala ku Soweto Derby against his former team okuyi Orlando Pirates. Yabo izindaba ke ezimnandi lezi for iKaizer Chiefs because this is a good player. Ngeke ngazi ke muyifenye iKaizer Chiefs ungangitshela ama comments, are you happy with the signing noma budinga enye signing mhlambe outside of country, outside of PSL, maybe bekhona enye signing ebikhona la ku Betway Premiership ebeninga opta for yona instead of Ndlovu. Ungangitshela ama comments bafethu. To be honest, mina on my side I feel like this is a good signing for iKaizer Chiefs. This is a good signing. I saw this player playing for SuperSport United. When he was playing for Orlando Pirates, he wasn't that good. Yeah, but I feel like he revived his career by going to SuperSport United. Let's hope when he goes to Kaizer Chiefs, he will play very well. Akwazi ukudlala kahle mfethu ayibeke lapha phezulu. Maybe ekudlaleni kwakhe kahle mfethu uyozabizwa uHugo Broos ahambe represent iBafana lapha eMorocco. Maybe represent iBafana kwi-World Cup asazi. Yabo. Kwezinye indaba eziphumene namhlanje bafethu uSikhukhune United have signed uSiphiwe Mahlangu oqhamuka kwiTS Galaxy. USikhukhune United siya recruiter ngempela bafethu. Kuba nikhumbula kahle nje sathanda ukuchitha abadlali abaningi so naso siya recruiter sesayine umdlali onetalent elihle liqhamuka kwiTS Galaxy. Mase uBTS Galaxy baya profita ngempela kule season because bayoloko bedayisile nje. Belokhu bedayisa abadlali. The last player emdayisile uSikhukhune iTS Galaxy belo umdlali lo oseyodlalela Orlando Pirates right now oyidefender. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje engangiphathanga kahle kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs signing entsha iKaizer Chiefs uPaseka Marco bafethu will likely miss the trip to Netherlands to recover from a broken arm. Umjida ke bafethu ulimale ku training. Imagine ibhadili ngaka ufike nje kwiKaizer Chiefs engalimele but ke walimala isandla kwi training. Manikhumbula kahle vele uPaseka Marco umdlali oseke wahlaselwa ama injury. Yabo ipast yakhe nje igcwele ama injury kakhulu mhlambi ingaki Orlando Pirates yamdedela ukuthi lo mjida lo uyiliability we cannot use a player uyiliability kanje so they decided to let go of Paseka Marco. Maybe I don't know but I heard some sources say ukuthi Paseka Marco didn't sign the deal with Orlando Pirates. Mjida ke usethuli injury right now will likely miss the trip to Netherlands for ama pre-season games. Yabo izinto ezikanje ijwayele ukwenzeka. Sakhumbula last season iKaizer Chiefs yasayina uBongani Sam the former Orlando Pirates player too walimala akakaze adlale for iKaizer Chiefs. Ngeke ngazi for Paseka Marco but wangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba zika Marco. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa iMagesi FC isiyikhiphile ioffer to sign the former Mamelodi Sundowns striker uThabang Sibanyoni. Menikhumbula kahle ukuthi Thabang Sibanyoni was loaned to iMagesi FC from iMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida useyishila iSundowns. Right now they want to sign uThabang Sibanyoni on a permanent deal. We don't know ukuthi iSundowns izokuvuma yini lokho noma cha but ke I feel like bazokuvuma because he's a player vele ongajwayele ukudlala kweSundowns. Ubefana nabo iGudaro labo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu ama-tax ngempela bafethu announceile ucoach uKwanele Kopo. Njengoba ngikhulumile uKwanele Kopo bafethu will coach ama-tax University of Pretoria mase kubi assistant coach yakhe kube uMashate Moloto. Ungena ozomsiza lapha eintambweni ba coach team ibuyele ku Betway Premiership. Asazi kumqansa ke lo ade sayidona ukuyibona yama-tax edlala ku Betway Premiership. Kuzoba umqansa ngempela ukuthi bababuyise. Mwase ubheke ama signings lawa asashawe AmaZulu FC. Yabo AmaZulu FC asayine uLiam Byrne, asayina bani uThapelo Matloho oqhamuka kwiKruger United, asayina uRyan Moon oqhamuka kwiGolden Arrows, basayina uDarren Johnson oqhamuka kwiChippa United lo goalkeeper, basayina uKayhile Malepe oqhamuka kwiPretoria Kellies, basayina uKeegan Allen lo defender oqhamuka kwiRichards Bay. Right now bafuna ukufinalize ideal yathando lenkosi Ngwenya oqhamuka leZimbabwe. Umjida uyadlala ngempela ngizwile oluningi ngaye umjida. Yabo Atazwane uyapheka ngempela lapha kuMaZulu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje indaba ezinhleke lezi for iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa isishaya iU10 kwi-deal kabani kaGeorge Motlow. Menikhumbula kahle ke uGeorge Motlow kule season icontract yakhe ibiphela But again, the 26-year-old was set to leave Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the season, but again, they've provided a new deal for George Motlow usazoqhubeka adlale for Kaizer Chiefs. I was really disappointed ngempela ngiyibona lezo indaba ngizwa kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs yayi-opta ungayi-renew i-contract yakhe because umjida wayehlaselwa ama-injury kakhulu. So they've opted to renew his contract umjida. He will continue playing as a Kaizer Chiefs player. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje, iMagesi FC have appointed uJohn Maduka as their new head coach, succeeding Owen Dagama. Nikhumbula kahle ke Owen Dagama uyena lo sathana kuxoshwa iMagesi FC, kanti ke uJohn Maduka was coaching iRwale M before iclub ixoshwe iPSL. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje, AmaZulu FC and iDUT sebesayine imajor MOU unite sports and education in a shared mission. Through this partnership, through this partnership, aim to collaborate on an initiative as well uplift our communities and empower both players and students. Yabo izinto ezinhleke bafethu esizibonayo ezenzakalayo. Ngiyakhumbula last season, yes, iDurban City yasayina ipartnership with UKZN. Lapho khona bezowenza into ecishe ifane njengale. So AmaZulu abonile ukuthi cha, nathi kumele siwa-uplift ama-university ala e-KZN. So they partnered with the DUT. Yabo mhlambe khona abadlali sizobabona beqhamuka lapha e-DUT abawe-represent AmaZulu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje, Stellenbosch have unveiled their new player, under 20 AFCON winning defender uSiviwe Nkwali will join Stellenbosch FC bafethu from Cape Town Spurs. Umjida bedlalela iCape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs ke ngiyakhumbula iyona team le relegated ebidlala le kwi-NFD relegated yashona ezantsi. So iStellenbosch FC have signed a new player oyi-defender obedlala kwi-AFCON under 20 yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, uTerence Sokwamanje has joined Scotland FC after his exit from iSuperSport United. Scotland FC club ke le edlala le lapho eqhamuka khona uTerence Sokwamanje. So bamsayinile umjida asadlala ku-PSL. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma namhlanje bafethu, uThamsanqa Mkhize una 36 years old has left the Cape Town City after 8 years at the club. Umkhize bafethu udlala ama-games awu-270 for iCape Town City. Washaya ama-assist ayi-9. Actually ushaya amagoli ayi-9, washaya ama-assist ayi-15, wawina ama-trophies ayi-2 with iCape Town City yabo. Kwizindaba ezingekho mnandi siyithole namhlanje bafethu, umdlali weLiverpool uDiogo Jota bafethu ushonile na 28 years old alongside his brother na 26 years old. Eshona nje engozini yemoto enyantisa igazi bafethu. Ngizozama ukudlulisa amazwi enduduzo. I know mhlawumbe akhona ama-fans eLiverpool akhona la kuVane Sports yabo. Izinto ezikanje ivamisile bafethu kwenzeka. I hope lapho bekhona obomndeni bakhe uDiogo Jota bazofila uthando oluqhamukayo kuma-fans, because ama-fans amaningi, even I don't support Liverpool, but I was really upset ukuzwa indaba namhlanje kuseni yabo, because mase ubheke most yabadlali abadlala ibhola bafethu, most abadlali abadlala ibhola bajwayele ukuhamba ngendlela eyodwa. Ngikhumbula nje lamdlali lo wedlalela iMaritzburg United, sengamkhohlwa igama, naye waba sengozini yemoto. Nalomdlali lo nalabadlali ababedlala iSundowns abawu2 yabo baba on the same car accident. Not on the same car accident, but same vehicles. They were driving the same vehicles. Kwawa ama BMWs yabo. Angikhohle lo amjida, I think Anele Ngcongo if I'm not mistaken. Omunye kuMadish yabo, but ke kungiphathe kabuhlungu lo ngikuzwe namhlanje kuthiwa imoto ishe nabo bephakathi, bekuyena nobhuti wakhe namhlanje yabo. So I'm really not happy ngale indaba lezi. Ngidecide ukuyiveza nje la. I know akusizona indaba zaku-PSL, but ke ngidecide ukuyiveza ukuthi I'm not okay ngale indaba lezi yabo. Ungangitshela ukuthi wena usizwe kanjani ngale indaba zaDiogo Jota, but ngokwamaye azingiphathanga kahle. Nize niphephe bafethu ezingozini zomgaqo njengoba nje kuzobe iDurban July, aba decide ukwehla beze la eThekwini baze baphephe ezingozini zomgaqo. Kule weekend nje ezobe inkulu, nize niphephe bafethu ninakekele uVane.